Good morning everyone. Today I am going to start a new chapter, exponent and power. First of all, we will come to know about the fact what is exponent and what is power. Let a number x and this one is 5. Then this x is called its base and 5 is called its power. Base is x and power is 5. And this power is also called exponent. And how to read this? X to the power 5. How to read this? X to the power 5. Or simply you can say exponent 5 of x. Now what is the meaning of this exponent? Suppose I have written a number like this, 5 to the power 3, that is 5 is written 3 times. 5 into 5 into 5. And here base is 5 and exponent is 3. That is 5 to the power 3. Now, if I have 9 into 9 into 9 and it is asked to us to find its exponent, then 9 is base and it is multiplied 1 to 3 times. That is 9 to the power 3, or we can say 9 cube exponent 3 of 9. Then you are thinking, what difference does it make to say whether 5 is power or exponent? Both are same. Now I will solve some problems related to this. Then you will able to understand more and more clearly. Let one example. Root 5 to the power 3. Root 5 is radical and its power is 3. Then their base is root 5 and exponent is 3. And how to change this radical into exponent? Root 5 is radical. Now the new term is here, that is radical. Radical is that number which can't be solved to give a exact value. We cannot find the root of that number. That one is radical. That is root 5 is radical. And this means 5 to the power 3 by 2. Okay. One thing you must remember, root 5 equal to 5 to the power half, 5 to the power 1 by 3. This 3, that is 1 by 3, this 2, 1 by 2. Now I have some question that I am going to solve. Suppose it is given 5 to the power x is equal to 125 and it is asked to find the value of x. What does it mean? It means it is an equation in the exponent form and here you have to find the value of x. And how to find the value of x? First we will make same base on both the sides. Here the base is 5. This may retain 5 to the power x and this 5 to the power 3. Now bases are same, powers are equal. That is x is equal to 3. Bases are same, powers are also same. That is the power x and the power 3 will be equal. Similarly, the second problem like that, 4 to the power x plus 1 is equal to 64. Here the same thing. At first, we have to make bases equal on both sides. How to make the bases equal? 4 to the power x plus 1 and this one is 4 cube. Bases are equal, then the power are also equal. Power are also equal and x equal to 2. Putting x equal to 2, 4 to the power 3, that is 64. The next problem is that number 5. Suppose a problem like 4 to the power x plus 1 minus 4 to the power x is equal to 3. How to solve it? At first, this may written as 4 to the power x into 4 minus 4 to the power x is equal to 3. Taking common 4 to the power x, 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. 4 to the power x equal to 3 into 3 equal to 3. That is 4 to the power x equal to 3 by 3 equal to 1. That is 4 to the power 0. Then x is equal to 0. Answer. As we know that power 0 of any number is 1. Power 0 of any number is 1. Like that, if it is asked root 6 to the power x minus 1 is equal to 1, then how to make the bases equal on both sides? As we know that power 0 of any number is 1. And the base is root 6. Root 6 is root 6 to the power x minus 1 and the base is root 6, so root 6 to the power 0. Root 6 to the power 0, that is 1. What you should write? Root 6, because here is root 6. And here the bases are same, so powers are also same and x equal to 1. The next problem may as 5 to the power x plus 5 to the power x plus 5 to the power x plus 5 to the power x is equal to 4. How to solve it? This one is in the form of a plus a plus a plus a. That is 4a. 4a is equal to 4. 5 to the power x equal to 4 by 4. That is 1. And 1 where written is 5 to the power 0. Here we have written 5 because of here is also 5. 5 to the power x is equal to 0. Thus x equal to 0 is your answer. Similarly, there may be something other than that of it, but we will solve it alike. 1 minute. You come to know about exponent and power. Exponent and power are the same thing. Suppose it is asked you to find exponent of 5. Exponent of 5 is 2. That is 5 to the power 2, and it means 5 into 5. One problem may be like that: 8 by 5 into 64 by 25 x plus 1 divided by 8 by 5 to the power 2 is equal to suppose any number, suppose 8 by 5, and I am going to solve it. How to solve it? First of all, we will make the bases equal in each case. That is 8 by 5 to the power x into this one 8 by 5 square x plus 1, 8 to the power 8 square 64, 5 square 25, and this one divided by 8 to the power 5 to the power 2 equal to 8 by 5. Now this one is in division, and we know that in division powers are subtracted and in multiplication powers are added. So 8 by 5 to the power 2x plus 2 minus 2, and this one is plus x is equal to 8 by 5. Then after it, do one thing. Eight by 5, 2x plus x, 3x, 2 minus 2, 0. It cancel out, and this one is 8 by 5 to the power 1. Again we have equal bases, so powers must be same, and x equal to 1 by 3. Is it clear now? Then after solving these problems, what we come to know, we will write this. The first one is if a number like root x to the power 5, it means x to the power 5 and this root means by 2. Second, x to the power 0 is 1. Power of any number 0 is 1. Third one, x to the power m into x to the power n equal to if bases are same in multiplication powers are added. X to the power n plus n. And if bases are same, then in division powers are subtracted. Like x to the power m divided x to the power n, that is x to the power m minus n. Next one is x to the power minus m, and if I am going to write it in the positive power, then 1 by x to the power m. That means x to the power minus 1 is equal to 1 by simply x. Number 7, x to the power m and its power n, that is powers are multiplied, x to the power m into n. These are the properties or laws of exponent and powers. Suppose number 7. This one is a property or law. 5 to the power 2 to the power 3. I am going to solve the property 7. That means 5 to the power 2 3 is 6. Property 4. 8 to the power 5 divided by 8 to the power 3. Bases are same, powers are subtracted. 8 to the power 2. Suppose 9 cube into 9 square into 9. Bases are same, in multiplication powers are added. 9 to the power 3 plus 2 plus 1, that is 9 to the power 6. Now again, the base is 6 and exponent is, base is 9 and exponent is 6. Now I think you have understood very well what is exponent and power and its properties as well. Thanks. Keep studying.